So Leon, what happens when you leave the air filter out of an 850K?
Well, you get some problems right here. The top compression ring breaks and you lose compression. So the engine has to come out, get a rebuild. It's too bad because most of the engine parts look very clean and good. It's not worn out yet.
Here's another piston that's scarred a little bit. He showed me something really interesting on the oil pump. Pickup tube.
Looks like a shop rag. Got sucked up into the pickup screen. It's probably restricted some of the pressure.
Expensive shop rag.
Yeah.